Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atinike. So today I'm going to share with you how I achieved this lovely DIY goddess box braid with curly end using Brazilian wool and expression coily hair. You can see what I'm doing. I section my hair out. I've already shown you the products I'm going to be using. I'm going to be using this Echo braiding gel and blue magic hair cream. Any white residues you see on my hair is the hair cream I apply on my hair. So make sure your hair is clean and washed before you do any braid so that you won't have any itching. So you can see I section the hair from the back. I love starting my braid from the back. After I'm done sectioning, I'm going to be using the Echo braiding gel to do that. It's just like Echo Shine, sorry, just like Shine and Jam. So after I'm done doing that, I'm going to pick 16 strands of hair. You can see I drag the tip of the hair. Some are longer than some, so that you're going to get the perfect pencil tip you want, and so that it won't be difficult for you adding the curly end. You can see what I do. This is a very easy beginner friendly method. That is why I didn't follow this place. You use your hair to make the third strand of the hair. Just keep on watching. I'm still going to show you another way. So I'm still going to show you the same method. If you did not grab it from the beginning, just keep on watching. Then I keep braiding. I keep braiding. It's important for you to drag the tip of the Brazilian wool. Some of the Brazilian wool should be longer than some, but it should not be too obvious, so that it will be easier for you to add your coiling hair. So now I'm going to take my brush to brush the tip. Do not brush from the beginning when you've not braid your hair, or else it will be very difficult for you to work with the Brazilian. One is long, two is going to get tangled if you brush before using it to braid your hair. So you can see what I'm doing now. I'm just braiding the hair. Now I'm going to apply the coiling hair. I attach it from the back, not from the front, so that it will show that I attach the coiling hair to this braid. No one is going to know that this is a Brazilian hair. I'm still rocking this hair. So beautiful. The length. Oh my god. Towards the end, you're going to see the length of this hair. I never wanted it to be long like that, but I don't know why. I just love long hair. Long hair. So I just keep on braiding. Sorry for my tab there. You see myself again. That is what I'm using to section my hair. That is what always make my work to be easier if I don't want to stress myself with a mirror. This is a very fast method, using my tab as my monitor to check the back of the hair I'm doing, so that it will come out. Mwah. I'm so sorry for my voice. I have a little bit of cold, but this video needs to go up. I need to do the voiceover. So sorry for that, guys. Manage this voice if it's not loud enough today. So after you already tie the knots of the curly hair, if long. Then you can see I use my hair as the third strand. For the end of December, even more than 3K. But my goal is 3K. Ah, can you see the final? This is not even the final look yet. Okay, okay. Let's achieve the coils back. So I'm going to be spraying some water at the tip of the hair. Then I'll use my hand to flop out the hair so that the coils will be back. So now I'm going to add my mousse. This Nivea mousse. Oh my god. This Nivea mousse is really doing the job. So I'm going to add mousse. Then I'll add some weave oil to add some shine. As I was saying earlier, please subscribe if you've not subscribed to this channel. Assist your girl. My goal is to reach 3K, even more than that, before the end of December, before the year goes. Please support my channel, support my growth. Your support means a lot to me. I'll never take it for granted. So the final look, oh, I had some oil sheen to add some shine. The look is still loading, loading. Oh my god, look at the final look. No one is going to know that this is a Brazilian. Nobody's going to know. Nobody's going to know. No one is going to know. So that is it. Look at the length. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you the length. You're going to see the length. Don't worry. More than boot length. As in, I never expected it to be long like this. Oh my god. You can see, just giving you the vibe, the vibe, the vibe. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly watch to the end and check out the length. The length is more than boot length. Thank you so much for the love, for the support. Make sure you like. It's important for you to like. Please support this small YouTuber trying to become big. Support my growth. I really appreciate that. See you in my next video. Stay blessed always. Mwah.